Hello brothers and sisters, welcome back to another video, and my name is Javi. Thank you so much for being here with me, for being here as yourself, as your true authentic self, genuine in your own expression, without your mind coming in, without your programs and without your conditionings, for you to allow yourself to be here. Thank you for that. I really appreciate the space that you are holding and the space that I am holding. So many angel beings, so much God energy, goddess energy is being grounded right now, and it's so beautiful. I am so feeling the love in my heart expanding, and it's just beautiful to be able to enrich my life with it, to nurture myself with it, and to also expand it and create space for you guys to do the same, because remember, we are one. We are one. We have one. One of my brothers said, my brother Vishnu, I love you. We had this amazing time over this past weekend at Mount Shasta, and we had talked about how we have one means we are one. When we win something, is because we became one again. Thank you. Thank you for winning. Thank you for winning this game of life. Thank you for winning and becoming one. When you have one is when you have won. There's one, and that's when you win. I just wanted to really emphasize that and really let that sink in for you. Thank you. In this video, I just wanted to let everyone know, everyone that watches this video, I just wanted to let you know that you already know yourself. You have always known who your true self was. It has always been there. It's never been anywhere else. You've always known intuitively. It's always been in there. You've always known. Always. Now it's time for you to just speak your word. Express your heart. To truly let it be now. To truly shine your love. To truly everything you've always felt you wanted to do, that just sparked you up and lit you up. It is time for you to do that. It is time for you to just act on your intuition. It is time for you to just let yourself be free. Just be free. Take off that pressure off your shoulders. Take off that weight. Let it all the thoughts, all the expectations, all the attachments. It is time. You know this. You know this. All I'm doing is just reminding you. And I'm going to continue to remind you. I'm not stopping making videos. So it might get a little repetitive, but it's all the same reminder. The same reminder that you are one. That you have won. You have won this game of life. You are a god. A goddess. You are the expression of the omnipresent divine. It is omnipresent, and you are its vessel for it to experience itself. And I am doing that, and you are doing that, and we're all doing that. And the sooner we get rid of this separation and this ego and personal self and duality, the sooner you will start to just accept everybody. You know this, see? You resonate with this. You know this already. I don't gotta I'm just reminding you. All these videos, I'm not teaching you anything. I'm not guiding you anywhere. I'm not anyone's guru. I'm not anyone's anything. I am you. And you are me. And I'm just expressing what you already are. And maybe I got there in the time's always now. But in the scope of how experiences of now happen, I might have gone to this realization in earlier now, if that makes sense. But now, here we are in this now, and now you're getting this reminder. So, love yourself, love this whole world, just let it be, let it be, let it be. You know all this. I'm just trying to encourage you. I'm trying to just pump you up. Trying to just let you know that it is okay. The universe is supporting you. I am supporting you. We're all supporting you. What you feel in your heart, you know it. You know it. See, I know it. What you feel in your heart, do it. Do it. Do it. If you need to say that word to that one person, do it. If you need to hug that one person, go hug them. If you need to have the biggest, belliest laugh at that moment, do it. Don't hold back. Don't doubt yourself. Don't compromise your heart. I love you guys. We have won. This game is done. We won. Oh, this is great. I love you guys. Namaste. Om. Amitabah. All is love. Peace be with you. Peace be with you. Om.